So, who would win in a real head-to-head? Let's analyze the possibilities. In an urban setting, the Terminator has a clear advantage. Its sheer durability means the Predator's weapons, while devastating, won't stop it quickly. The T-800 can absorb damage, keep fighting, and outlast its opponent in a prolonged engagement. Its infrared scanning, though not as advanced as the Predator's tech, can still detect movement and heat, giving it a chance to counter stealth attacks. However, the Predator's cloaking and tactical prowess could turn the tide if it sets up ambushes or traps. In a jungle environment, the tables might flip. The dense foliage and natural cover would amplify the Predator's stealth capabilities, allowing it to strike from the shadows and exploit the Terminator's limited visibility. Its thermal vision would also give it an edge in tracking the machine's heat signature. Let's consider a few specific scenarios. In a direct, brute force confrontation, the Terminator's resilience and strength might overpower the Predator. Imagine a scenario where the Hunter's plasma caster runs out of charge or its blades dull. The T-800's endurance could wear it down. On the other hand, if the fight becomes a strategic hunt, the Predator's cunning in technology could secure the win. Picture the Terminator trudging through a forest, unaware of a net trap or a well-placed explosive. The Predator's ability to outmaneuver and outthink its prey could lead to a decisive victory. Ultimately, it depends on the battlefield and the circumstances. In a straight-up brawl, the Terminator might take it. In a tactical duel, the Predator's skills could give it the upper hand. It's a razor-thin margin, and the outcome could go either way depending on the day. What do you think? Who wins this legendary showdown? Is it the Terminator's unbreakable will, or the Predator's unmatched hunting prowess? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We want to hear your theories and favorite moments from this battle. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an epic showdown. Share this with your friends who love sci-fi battles, and let's get a discussion going. And stay tuned, the next challenger is already on the horizon.